This is Mr. McCarthy with website tutorial number 5. Number 5, we're going to create 2 pages with 2 separate backgrounds. So before we actually create the page, I'm going to create the tags. I'm sorry, the links. So here we go. I'm going to copy this with the break. Put that right up. And we're going to call this background. We'll call it colored background. There we go. Colored background. And then for the next one, call it tiled background. And I know we said we were going to put these in alphabetical order, so I'm going to put these in parentheses so that we'll use the B as part of our alphabetical order. Okay, so there they are. So I'm going to go Command S on that, come back to website McCarthy. There they are, colored background, tiled background. If we click, oops, they're going to the headings. Why is that? Because that's where I have them both linked to. Okay, so instead, I am going to go C, background, and then this one's going to be T background for tiled. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save, refresh. Notice that when I refresh it, it turns a bright blue. Let's take a look. What? That's right, we haven't created the page yet, so we're going to do that right now. Okay, so let's start with a colored background. And my colored background, I need to figure out what color I want to use. So first thing I'm going to do is HTML color codes. There they are. No, I'm not linking from home very well. All right, so this is what I'd like you to do, is to go to these sites to find the hex color code. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to make one up for this. All right, it's going to be awesome. All right, so let's go back. Here we are. So I'm going to create a new page. I'm going to borrow from Sinclair again, Command C. Go File, New, Command V. And we are going to call this colored background. We do the same thing up here. And we're going to take this. Oh yeah, we do want to link back. And so for our colored background, we're going to go right here to body, background. Oh, no, I was wrong. BG color equals. And then for this, go hashtag. I'm going to go E3, E3, E3. I'm not sure what that color is. We're going to find out. It's going to be awesome. Command S. And what did I say this is going to be? C background. C background.html. All right. There it is. Let's see what's going on here. Colored background. All right, looks like it's some sort of a gray. Kind of dull. You guys find something better. All right, so that's the colored background. I am going to copy this now so that I can do my tiled background. All right, we're going to put it away. We're going to go File, New, V. We're going to call this tiled background. Tiled background. Okay, so instead of this, we're going to go to bg image equals, and I'm going to use target JPEG. I've got it all caps, so I'm going to stick with that. I'm not 100% on whether this is going to work out or not. I don't know if I got that tag right. I'm working from memory, but let's find out. Okay, so we call this T background .html. Go ahead and click save. Use HTML. All right, cross your fingers, everybody. And it didn't work. All right, so let me just check something out over here on my other computer. And I'm checking it out right now. What did I do wrong? Okay, so it's not BG image, it's body background. Equals target. So I'm going to save that. Let's see what we got. There it is. Okay, so there's my tiled background. Awesome. And somewhere on the bottom here, oh, you can't see it very well. We'll fix this next week. There's my link back to McCarthy website. And here we are. I've got my main website with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 links to it. All right. This is what's required of you guys for today's full lesson. All right. So this is the last video I'm making today. If you finish this with time left, what I'd like you to do is to experiment a little bit. Here are some tags to experiment with. Okay, a lot of these we already have, but these are a few I'd like you to work with. Okay, so these are text tags. Notice they're right underneath paragraph tags. So for bold text, italicized text, and you can actually highlight your text, like you had a yellow highlight marker, by using these mark text. What I would like you to do if you've made it to this point is go ahead and apply some of those text to your paragraph page. You can do them at random, or you can expand the length of your paragraphs, your 3 paragraphs on this page. But go ahead and put some of those in there. All right? Experiment with it, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of your good work. First thing we're going to do on Monday when I see you next, or Tuesday when I see you next, depending on which class you're in, is I'm going to just double check to see that you guys have this. All right? Looking forward to seeing you guys next week. This is Mr. McCarthy signing off.